Good morning, this is Laura at 3J Services, and this morning I'd like to show you one of our new 10x8 office units. Now this office unit starts out life in this form. So we bring them over from the continent looking very much like this, and as you can see, Gordon's in the process of building one right now. So the unit's made up of PU panels, vinyl floor. I'll show you one complete shortly. They come with a personnel door, which is nice and secure, 3 keys. And if I can just get over to the right hand side here, you'll see nice big window with roller shutter, again improving the security. Corner castings, easy to move, easy to deliver, with a hiab and forklift pockets, so again easy to move around site. Available in blue or green. And this is it inside, the perfect little site office, home office, you name it. It's really roomy actually for a 10-foot unit. These panels are PU coated, they're insulated, so it's really cosy in here. Mark my words, it's a little bit chilly outside today. We've got 2 power sockets, got a single strip light, we've got a consumer unit, and here's your windows roller shutter, vinyl floor. Looks great, great little unit. These are available all around the country. We can help you build it, we can build it before we come, or you can build it yourself. Contact us for some more information. Let us know where you are, if you want us to build it or not, and we'll pop a quote together for you. We can link these units as well, making them into a larger unit, and we do have other specs as well. Give us a shout. Bye.